Scramble, scramble, scramble. We need salt. Definitely need salt. Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants. No dairy. The next level cooking show. Carnivore recipes with meat, fish, seafood, eggs, gelatin, flavored seltzer, water, and salt. From super easy to complicated. From quickly done to many hours in the kitchen. I always say everybody's body and brain are different, and you gotta figure out what works best for you. The carnivore lifestyle has tremendous benefits, healing effects, and is the best elimination diet. There are many different ways how to do carnivore. I found a way that momentarily works the best for me. In this cooking show, I'll show you it doesn't have to be boring and can be very creative, delicious, and fun. I already created so many carnivore recipes on Instagram at karnivorgirl. And I have this never-ending list on my phone with tons of ideas. My brain is a gift and a curse. Have fun with this episode! Welcome to my creative carnivore kitchen. Carnivore Girl here. No, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm not even in a kitchen. I'm still at Norman's house. I'm taking care of a dog. Where is he? Ah, he's here. And I'm outside. Yes, because the grill is outside. I'm just wearing what I had available right now. My old karate shirt. No, it's better than that. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off. Okay, let's get started with some cooking because there is some stuff to do. Here, whoop, let me see, this is a good angle. Yeah, I already turned on the propane down there. So what I want to do is, I hope you can see, it looks really dark to me. There's still from yesterday some wood on here, and I have more wood, hickory wood, because if you follow me, you already know I hate gas grills. It sucks. Then I can just take my torch. So much more fun. So many flies. Wood. Maybe we only need one. Let's put a piece of wood here on this thing. I don't know how you call that. Where you have direct heat. Turn it on. Not too high. So, yeah. So, and also in the back here, you can hear it, I covered the back with aluminum foil, so most of the smoke stays inside. Okay, what do I want to do here? I have lots of stuff here. This is a venison burger patty. Ooh, yeah. And I just mixed it with some of sea salt. Go away. Okay, here I have Black Hawaiian Sea Salt. It's with activated charcoal. This is basically impossible to open without a screwdriver, so I put some in here, and I want to use that for the for the salmon. It looks cool. So yeah, let's also put some on the patty, just a little bit. Okay, I have a flame here. I want to put that on the flame. Okay, so I turned this heating thing on the highest, and yeah, so I have a flame from the wood. That's what I want, some smoke. Venison is very, very lean. You don't want to overcook this because otherwise it just gets tough. Ooh, nice. I already want to flip it. I probably left it on for a minute, if even. So, and here I want to put the salmon on it, the skin down, also directly on the flame. Exactly. So the salmon was there, I don't know, a minute, not even. Oops. I want it, and the patty too, I want to take it off. I just put it over here. Salmon a little bit more really on the direct flame here. Just really want to get the skin. Take it off. Just gonna put it over here. Those are off. And now my cast iron pan. Put it on the flame. Heating it up. By the way, I forgot to show you, this is the venison I got. And now, so it's kind of hard because of the foil in the back. I can't really open it all the way. Else I'm gonna destroy it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try. I want to make scrambled eggs. I'm really shitty doing that with one hand. Scramble, scramble, scramble. You need salt. Definitely need salt. Salt. Scramble. Hey, of course on this side where the flame is, that's where it's working. So such a scramble, scramble. Also, here I want it more done. Here I want it less done. So now I'm going to change. I'm going to put that one on here. And let's see. Salmon again. Patty again, but just for a tiny, tiny bit. Flip that. Just basically to warm it up. That's enough actually. So I'm gonna turn it off, and yeah, so I kind of want to get just smoke, no flames. I'm scared to overdo that. Let's put that over here, off the flame. I don't want flames. If I have flames, I blow them out. So now I'm trying to smoke it a little bit longer from the smoke from the wood. I don't think I have much anymore. Here really quickly, that's how the backside looks like. and this usually would be all open, so I closed it. Of course, smoke can still get out, but not as much as usual, so it really helps to get a nice smoky flavor in here. So unfortunately, I really can't eat outside. I'm really sad about this, but there are so many bees and flies and all that. There's like wetlands right in front of the house. So yeah, it's bad. So I'm inside. Okay, let's check. Yeah, hey, really nice. Look at this plate. Oh, look at those colors. Wow. Super happy, excited about the venison burger. Okay. Oh, the smoky flavor. So good. Now we can put some of that. I actually want to try the scrambled eggs without anything first. Oh wow, I put too much salt on it. But yeah, you can put some scrambled egg on your burger patty. This is good. Now the salmon. My favorite way to eat salmon, just the skin, either torched or grilled, like here. And the rest still raw. And the black stuff we know is the Black Hawaiian Sea Salt. Yeah, oh yeah. Great combo. I love this. Super easy. Really just anything on the grill. If you have some good flavor, tastes good. But so here, a great tip for you if you only have a gas grill that doesn't give you really that barbecue flavor, just put some wood on it. Yeah, so it makes such a difference. It's so awesome. And I mentioned it already so many times, but if I mention it again, thank you very much at Jam on Instagram, because she gave me the idea with the aluminum foil. Because this with the wood, I already had that idea, I don't know, 2 years ago or so, because once I tasted charcoal and wood grill, so like, well, yeah, you put wood and charcoal, you know. Then the gas grill sucked, and then I was like, why not putting just some wood on there? So I had that idea a long time ago, but now because of the aluminum foil, because she gave me that idea, apparently her father does that. No, her husband does that. Well, maybe father too, I don't know, maybe it's a family thing. The smoke really stays so much more in the grill. Well, yeah, you could make it really airtight, but if I make it airtight, I can't open and close the grill anymore. And I usually, as you see, I don't grill for very long because I like my stuff still rare, raw. So this is perfect. It still keeps it so much more in there than usual, and it really gives it that smoky, nice barbecue flavor that you want. Oh yeah, really great. I love this plate, and again, so beautiful with all those colors. Yeah, leave a comment if you want, like, share, subscribe, or whatever. Let me know. Try it, really. Try it with wood on the gas grill. Let me know how it goes. Let me know what you did with it, what kind of foods you come up with. Yeah, Bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you try out this recipe, please tag me and let me know how you like it. Subscribe, share, like, comment, follow me on Instagram @karnivorgirl. See you next week in my next episode of Carnivore Girl's Creative Carnivore Kitchen. No plants, no dairy, the next level cooking show.